It's rain again. Are you joking? Are you rain again? Oh no, but you will be fine with this SUJEBI soup. I'm gonna tell you. Hello everyone, I'm Bom Carrot. Today I'm gonna introduce you Korean rainy dish. It is super simple, nice, and my mom's recipe. Let's do it! Yes, first of all, we need to make dumpling. I prepare 1 cup of flour, just normal flour. Put in the bowl. And then add half teaspoon of salt. And then, this is my mom's secret. If you put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil here, then it will be more chewy and nice and jolly. And add some water, bit by bit. And then see. And some more water. Shouldn't be dry, but shouldn't be wet neither. Okidoki. Let's knead with hands. Look. You need to knead enough so noodle can be really tasty and good texture. Hoi! Jan! Hoi! I needed 6,805 times. This is perfect. It is not sticky, not wet, not dry, just nice. And we're gonna keep it in fridge while we are preparing vegetable. Why not? Da-da-da-da-da! Potato time! Let's cut! I'm gonna cut him half first. Like this. And then slice like this. It is like 1 centimeter. Dun. Spring onion. I prepared 2 spring onion. Let's cut. Cut the hairy bottom. Of course. And then cut like this, which is nail. And another one. Okidoki. And then I prepare beautiful courgette. Look. And we're gonna use only his bottom part. So cut the bottom. And then maybe we can use 1 second finger size much of courgette. And then cut it half. And then just cut like potato. Perfect. And then mushroom time. You need to cut mushroom yellow. And then our half onion we're gonna cut thin. Okidoki. And then our beautiful carrot time. Look, cut one side thin like this. Dun, dun, dun. And then you can put this flat part on the chopping board so it won't roll around the planet. And then cut thin. And when you feel it is dangerous, you can put another part of thin here, and then was very safe. And then you can cut really thin one more time, like this, so it is like beautiful model's legs. Ready! Vegetable is ready! Boil time! I am boiling 700 milliliters of water here. Done. Okay. And we're gonna add some magical flavor in this soup. First of all, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Done. Okidoki. And then this is my family secret. If you put doenjang sauce, it is yellow bean paste, then it is more nicer flavor. And normally we put dried anchovy in this soup, but we won't use that. But instead of that, we're gonna fill the empty taste with this magical sauce. 1 tablespoon, please. Dun, dun, dun. Okidoki. And then we're gonna add hard vegetable first. Our potato first. Have fun. Be nice. Be nice. And then white onion. Okidoki. Then shall we go and bring our SUJEBI dough? SUJEBI dough! Come here! Oh, here it is. I made him sleep in fridge for a while, and now let's look. Look! What a magic! He is very sticky and chewy, just like melted cheese. I hope you are the same too, like this. Just perfect. And to make easy hand dumpling soup, you just need a little bit of water. So if it is sticky on your hand, you can dip your hand in the water and then get rid of that stickiness. Dun, 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 like that. And then make it thin as possible. Super thin, just like pig's ear. And then put in the soup. Hungry now. More water. Water will make your dough thinner. You will see thinner noodle is much tastier than thick one. Big or small, doesn't matter. Just make whatever you like.
Small and very, very big.
Super Leon, would you like to do this?
No thanks.
Alright, the last one! And then start. Shall we cheeky try? Oh, nice, nice. And then shall we add rest of our vegetable? Carrot first. Courgette. And then spring onion. Let's leave a couple of them for nice decoration. Okay, let's cover it and wait for a while. Let's see. When the potato is soft, it is ready to put rest of our vegetables. So let's have a look. Where is the Mr. Potato? Here he is. So let's check. So nice, perfect. So let's add our mushroom. And I prepared 2 massive garlic cubes. Done! We're gonna crush and then put in the soup. And one more. Okidoki. Dun dun. Smells really nice. And I'm gonna add some egg in it. Would you like some egg, Super Leon?
Yeah.
Why not? So okay. And then stir with big chopstick. And then throw Sunny. And then put the lid on. We need to wait until eggs are cooked. Nice, it's perfect. So we can get served.
Wow.
Done! Here we are!
In the Swiss Alps, in our beautiful cozy chalet by the fire.
Oops! Whoa! Here we are! Let's try SUJEBI!
Let's try.
Yummy! So nice!
That is delicious.
Fantastic!
But you don't need to eat it in the Swiss Alps. You can eat it anywhere.
Thank you for watching Bom Carrot cooking show. I hope you enjoy this rainy day with SUJEBI and feel cozy.